Hey guys, we're in Oceanside, California. I'm going down the main drag here. It's a pretty cute town. I can see where someone would love it so much. Really pretty. Be back. Okay, we're gonna go down by the pier, see if I can find a place to park. Woohoo! Pigs flying. Oceanside. Oh, that's funny. Now, I don't know where it is that Nomadic Crafter hung out here, or Deborah Joy for that matter. I don't know if she ever visited the beach. I mean, she's right here. Why wouldn't she? It's beautiful. As a matter of fact, I was trying to get a hold of her to see if we can't have a taco at Taco Bell. Wait a minute. I don't know if I can get... Can I get down there? Can I go down there? I guess I can. Ooh la la. Look at that water. It is different than the East Coast. I'm thinking, oh, what difference does it make? It's an ocean is an ocean, but no, not so much. Look at all these rocks. Woo! Yeah, I gotta turn around. No parking, stopping anytime. Don't worry, I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna turn around. I bet the people that live here hate this. Look at these stupid people. Turn it around. Yep, hitting the boulders. Yep, that's me. Hitting the boulders. Okay. Yeah, I know how to three-point turn. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I think I came in the wrong side, so let's move. Oh, look at the surfers. I hope they showed up. Oh my God, look at this big lemon over here. See the big lemon? Okay. People, I don't know where I'm going, so give me a break. Okay. All right. Oh, there's all kind of sailboats out there. I wonder if this is a place that, and I know there's a lot of camper vans parked here. I wonder if this is a place you can park overnight. Ooh. Mr. Surfer Man. Woohoo! Oh, now that takes talent. Carrying a surfboard while you're riding a bicycle. Mm-mm. Oh, there's a pier. Oh, wait. See all the little surfer guys down there? Waiting for a wave. I think they're going to be waiting a long time. Oh, this is fun. Okay, now I can turn here, apparently. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, look at that. Hello. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Where are we going? I don't know. Ooh, look at this! Oh my gosh! Wow! You'd think I'd never seen a beach before. Well, I haven't seen this beach before, so meh. Okay, don't want to hit anybody. Come on, lady, get out of the way. Wow, look at this, just like on the movies. Oh, I would so be here all the time, man. If I was working, I'd never get anything done because I'd be sitting here watching. Wow. I wish I could park right here. Oh. No. Go ahead. Guys, it's just gorgeous. I'll be back, guys.